Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat, your Las Vegas realtor. That's right. So, let's take a look at this. We have plan 1, 2, and 3. Now, plan 3 here is 3,481 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, great room, den, 2-car garage. Starting price on this thing is at $581,000. So basically, give me just a second here. I'm gonna hop over this right here real quick, so that way we can just take a look and see what's going on. All right, we've got a couple stairs, about 4 stairs off to the left. Now we have a cover patio here, which is really nice. So take a look at this. You come here, you sit down in front of your house, and you just chill. Look around, right? Dope. Okay, so we are in the city of Henderson, master plan community called Inspirada. The builders is TriPoint. Now I did videos on the other ones, 1 and 2. If you guys haven't had a chance, check out that video. Have a link in the description below. Now we do have a optional slide here. This is a 9-foot slide, it looks like. Come back into the front. Now the garage are going to be out in the back. Now if you go and take a look at plans 1 and 2, they're pretty much similar. So check those out. But take a look at this floor plan, just nice and open. Look at this L-shaped island. Isn't that cool? Definitely different, right? Now, like I mentioned in the other videos, 35 lots. Roughly about 9 lots have been sold. Lot premiums are about $25,000 to $35,000. That can change. Incentives right now with this builder, if you use their lender, it's $8,000. That could also change. Wow. Nice. Look at this. Kind of get this angle right here. I love how it pitches up from 8 to 12 feet right here. I love how much like window brings in a lot of light. I mean, look at this window right here. I think that's probably my favorite part about this house right here is this window. So far, you got 12 by 24 on the tile with a 6-inch stagger. But as you can see, there's a lot of foot traffic now, so the grouts haven't been sealed. And what I realized is with the white grout is so hard. I got that myself, and worst thing I ever did. But I do like it. My wife hates it because you gotta scrub it, clean it, whatever's, you know. So we have a 2-tone here. So on this model, as you can see, they just have some staples here. Undermount slides, but I love how they have the pot drawers here, which is really nice. Let me see if I can get, here we go. And you do have the quartz, 1.5 inch, and look at this, you got your Blanco Farmer sink, and with the nice front apron, kind of like that matte white color there. Very unique. Oh, I love that window too right there. Let's take a look at this again. So they did the monogram upgrade. And monogram is from, no, you know what? Monogram is the upgrade for GE. And on the first model, we had the cafe, and that's from Kenmore, so that's their upgrade. Sometimes I get so confused. Let me know what you guys think about the backsplash on here. Now you do have the option to do these windows, but I definitely would do LED lights on there, and also on the side of the cabinets. The only thing is that you're gonna have to keep that thing clean. So here's your pantry. Now the pantry, you're not gonna have all these cabinets here. The built-in right here is definitely an upgrade, and also the convection microwave and oven too as well. You do have that nice 3-inch crown there, but you can see where they stapled on that crown. You should have cleaned that up a little bit better. But so on here We do have the 12-foot slide. This is a vinyl slide. However, this is a upgrade. I believe it's the other one. You would just have the door here, not a door, but the one that slides in the middle. Let me see if I can get this thing open. Okay, here we go. Give me a second. Now, take a look at this. So what you'll have here is all going to be dirt. And this lattice right here would be gone, okay? And take a look at this. This is definitely an upgrade. But this gives you an idea of what you can do. I think I like the other plans better, where the yard is more out into the back versus in the middle here. So this waterfall feature, if you were going to do something like that, you would have to run plumbing and also electrical here. It's not bad. I mean, I can definitely see myself living here for sure. Now what we'll do for now is we're just going to go upstairs. Take a look at this little loft up here. Also, when you guys come out here, you definitely have to set up an appointment. Give me a call. I'll get you set up with Natalie or PJ. Okay. They are the sales associates out here. They have a great relationship with them. They're good at what they do. So you got the vinyl flooring, 6 inches on the baseboard here. So let's take a look at this room. Now this is definitely a pretty decent sized room. Now this room is a suite here. Okay. Now this is not the master, but it almost feels like it could be the master. Now take a look at this. Got the balcony. Ooh, the sun feels good here. And I love how this just opens up. You got the Pkwy strips over there. Look at that. Got the Spanish tile. Now there are different varieties of tile. You do have concrete. All right, this is a concrete. You do have slate. Okay. And the other one I just can't think of right now. I was gonna say shingles, but yeah, shingles. All right, let's go back inside. Now let me show you this bathroom. Now keep in mind this is wallpaper too right here. Now this is a smackdown texture. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. And also you have the option to do the two-tone paint too as well. It's very hard to see. Let me see if I can get it on this one. On the texture. No, I guess not. Wow, take a look at this. So here's your water closet. Coming into your walk-in closet, which is a pretty decent size here. And I love the fact that there's a window. Okay. Now take a look at this. You do have the option to do a single sink or 2 sinks. You might as well do 2 sinks here. You got the Pkwy. I love that shower right here. Now I believe on this one the standard is the tub shower, I believe, but definitely would just do the shower on this one for sure. Oh, let's see here. Oh, I love the fact that they got a jumper duct versus a transfer grill, so that's a plus. And I believe with Tri-Point, they do have the radiant barrier too as well. Ooh, I love this window right here. Now, look at this. I love the felt for the flat roof here, but look at it. It looks like little pebbles, which is great. River rock. Love that. See, that's what you call attention to detail right there. Just those little things that really pique my interest. So here we have a bathroom and also a bedroom. So coming into bedroom number 2. Got the queen size bed. Now this is going to be a little bit bigger than 12 by 12 it looks like, so it's a pretty decent size for sure. Love the fact that you have your own thermostat right here and also a jumper duct above. Come into the bathroom. Now what I like about this is that you can have 2 roommates, right, that live upstairs, and they have their own living room. Isn't that great? All right, let's go downstairs now. Let's go take a look at the optional bedroom downstairs. Now here, this could also be configured. Configuration can be a bedroom. However, this is a nice built-in office, lounge. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. You guys see this? That glass right there. To probably run this is probably like $6,000. Wow, look at this. Let's come over here. The bath. Nice bathroom. Pretty decent. I mean, all this is an upgrade though. By far, I think my favorite is the number 2 plan. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out that video, I will have a link in the description below. The only thing that I don't like about these cabinets with this kind of sheen, right? You got to make sure when you do your final walk, look at it every angle, because what happens is the cleaners sometimes will come in here and start cleaning it, and they start etching the clear coat, and it gets a discoloration, and you won't catch it until the end, like when you start cleaning. And they're not aware, because with these cabinets you cannot use any type of chemicals. Typically, it says, and it'll give you instructions. It should just be microfiber towels. All right, in hot water. So as you can see, this one is a 2-car garage, but also a tandem. So it gives you that 3. But I believe also you can do a configuration here too as well. Now I do love the 220 right here, which is great. It does come with the tankless water heater. Well, it should come with a tankless water heater. I don't know why they have a pedestal right there. And soft water loop. So this garage definitely looks like it needs to be done. Now let's take a look. I was gonna say, let's take a look at the master, but let's take a look at this real quick. Smart panel box. I believe it does come with a modem, so don't buy your modem just yet. Wow. This is a huge bedroom, folks. This does not justify it. That slider right there, typically it would just be a window. That's going to be an upgrade. 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors here on the upgrades. Now we got 2 closets, one on each side. His, right? and his. Psycho like a booty. Nope, I'm just kidding. It's probably hers and hers. All right, coming into the bathroom. Look at this spotlight. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. This does not justify it. Look at that. All right. Oh my good. Look at all this extra counter space right there. Get the water closet. Definitely upgrade on the toilet here. But again, I want to show you how deep this pool-sized tub is. Look at that. Come back over here. Now, I believe it comes with the 18 by 18 tile, only in the wet areas, which consist of the kitchen, not the whole kitchen, the kitchen, laundry room, and the bathrooms. All right. Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel. If you guys want more information about this property, send us an email or give us a call. Also, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It's a great website to get started. You can look at resale and also brand new homes. We only list properties that are currently available for sale. As of today, we do not add pending status properties. Market is crazy right now, guys. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.